Hello, guys. Good evening. And so today, this video is supposed to be for my second trade of the day. I did a video on how I traded earlier in the afternoon. So today or this evening, I'll be showing you a step by step on how I trade on the CBEX platform. Should in case of those of you who are interested in registering on the platform so you can see how we trade. So they just dropped the signal right now. So I'll just log into my account and show you how I trade. It's pretty simple, and you'll see that in a couple of minutes I'll be done with my trade. So let's go to my account now. All right, trying to log into my account. Alright guys, I just logged into my account, so you can see I'm on the home page of the CBEX platform. So I'll just go to future, as you can see on my screen. I'll click on future, and then once it's done loading, I will click on invite me, as you can see here. Click on invite me. So I will now scroll down. You can see in my first video it was actually reading number one. Now it's number two, to show you that this is the second trade for the day. And you can see the time 1926. So I'll click on this, which is to confirm to follow the order. And then you can see the order amount, which is 1.57. So I'll click on done / OK. So once I click on done, it means I have done my own part of the trading. So I'll just click on position order. You can see showing pending. So I have done my own part to trade by not missing out on the signal. So it's just for me to wait for the trade to take place. As you can see how it's going here and there. So I'll just wait. Meanwhile, let me show you my account balance. So I'll go to my asset. So this is my asset. As you can see, this is my current account balance in dollars. My asset in dollars is $157.05, as you can see it here. So I'll just give it some time and wait. And at the end of the trade, once it's concluded, you will see that my account balance will increase. All right, it will increase. So I'm using 1% of my capital, which is this, to trade. You only use 1% of your capital to trade on this platform, irrespective of how much you have in your account, whether it's $100 or $10,000. You're going to use 1% of your capital to trade. But the good thing is, the higher the amount of capital that you have, the higher the amount of profits that you will make. So that's basically the advantage. And if you register with over $300 or $300 and above, you are entitled to a lot of bonuses and other rewards and other extra signals. So that's the advantage of starting with a very huge capital. So we'll just go back to future and wait for the trade to take place. So you can see it's still showing pending. So guys, we'll just wait. We'll give it some time uh, for the trade to complete. All right, guys. So the trading has taken place. Yes, as you can see on my screen here, it showed open. It means we're done trading for the day. You can see the time is 1950 to 1955. The direction is put. So remember, I was having $157.05. So we will now head to my asset to see uh, what it is. Wow, interesting. You can see my capital has increased from 157.05 to 158.44. So that's the trading for the day, the second trade for the day, and the second signal for the day. So that's just it, guys. CBEX is real, CBEX is legitimate. If you want to register, you can just DM me my number. My WhatsApp number is there. You can just WhatsApp me and show your interest. I'll guide you on how you can register on this platform so you can start earning 1% of whatever you invest in. So that's all for today, guys. That's how to trade on this platform. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye for now.